welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel I upload contents on how you can naturally solve most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content topics, please do continue watching this channel. Okay, today, loves, I bring another bigger and stronger for you, but with another twist. Okay, now when it comes to getting bigger, you have to do it in such a way that is not a do or die affair. You don't just do anything and everything you see out there. Always make sure that if you are not going to your doctor to get it done, please make sure you are doing it in a natural way to minimize or to remove risk, any health risk. Okay, now I saw something that inspired this video, that is how to get bigger manhood by using toothpaste. See, this is like, I feel this is something even a layman should know that is a no-no. Toothpaste, did you even ask what kind of toothpaste? Is it the one that is herbal? Is it the normal toothpaste, or the one that contains peppermint? In fact, whatever toothpaste it is, none of it is okay to apply on your manhood just for the sake of getting stronger. Do you hear me? Okay, now if you go through the ingredients of toothpaste, especially the basic toothpaste, you know it contains some things that is enough to tell you that you should not apply this on your body, not just your body, that your private area. Now let's talk about sodium lauryl sulfate. This is what I have not even brought time to check, but recent time I had to check it. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a detergent. So why would you want to use a detergent on that area? Why would you want to apply detergent on that area? Why would you do that? Instead, if you just want a detergent, get Omo, get Area, just get any detergents and do that. Now it's the same thing. Because I don't see, if you think about it in this way, you wouldn't use it. You wouldn't use it, what's it called, toothpaste on your manhood. If you think about the contents of toothpaste, you find that it doesn't make sense. It's like you applying Omo, any other detergent you know, to your manhood. That is the same thing. Forget that it's not packaged in another thing or mixed with another thing, calling it toothpaste. This toothpaste is still made with that same thing that they use to make detergents. Okay, so why would you put such chemical on your manhood? And not just that, there's another interesting content of that toothpaste, which is hydrated silica. This one is an abrasive. It is used for polishing and cleaning and scrubbing. And you want to clean and scrub. What are you doing? What is your intention? Now, apart from what it's going to cause to your skin, that's your genital area, apart from the bones and apart from the scarring is going to cause there, think about the woman herself. Why would you want to hurt her? Because it's going to cause irritation. When you apply toothpaste and you're going to insert it into her, it's going to cause serious irritation, if not infection. So why would you go that way, just to delay ejaculation, or just because you feel it's going to make you last longer? Why would you do that? And let me tell you something, though. Even after all these detergents and all those things you want to apply there, it will still not make you last longer. Toothpaste has never been known to make you last longer. It has never been established by anyone to make last longer. Instead, it has been established that it has caused scarring, it has caused mild burns and so on, even damage on that, or skin damage on that area. So just use yourself. Just make sure that you are the one that advises yourself, especially after watching this video. Please, if you have heard, if someone has told you to use toothpaste that is going to delay ejaculation or make you last longer, just know that the person is deceiving you. The person just wants to cause harm to you or to your woman. Okay, make sure you are if you want to use the traditional method, make sure you are using authentic natural method. See one advantage of natural method. Natural method might not work for everyone, but at least even if it doesn't work for you, it still contains ingredients that will help nourish your body in general. That is why you should tend towards the natural method than this kind of DIY. If you really love toothpaste DIY, I can tell you what to do with toothpaste. You can use toothpaste for your headlamps. For those of you driving cars, you know that headlamp, that is it glass or something they used to cover it. Please use toothpaste. If you know that it's no longer transparent and shiny, use toothpaste. Brush that area with toothbrush and clean it. It will continue to turn to transparent and shiny, just as good as new. You can also use toothpaste in your house if you have kids that used to write with chalks and markers on your wall. Please use toothpaste. It's going to remove that stain. Okay? Toothpaste can be used in other ways apart from using it on your manhood. Alright? Okay, loves, I've come to the end of today's video. If you love this video as usual, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye-bye.